Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a live Figma file. Make sure the prototype panel is visible. First, click the frame or component instance you'll use as the interactive trigger. Then click the circular node on the right edge and drag to the destination frame. That creates a hotspot connection so you control where users navigate. Once done, name the frame logically so you can reuse links. This immediate linking avoids building overlays before you confirm navigation paths. Now refine how the link behaves. You'll pick an interaction trigger like on click or while hovering. Choose on click for button-like elements. Next, set the action to navigate to or open overlay depending on whether you want a full-screen switch or a floating panel. After that, pick an animation, Smart Animate for smooth motion or Instant for immediate jumps, and set the duration to match your design rhythm. Make sure easing feels natural for users. Finally, you'll validate the interaction in present mode by clicking through each linked element to confirm destination, animation, and back navigation. Once satisfied, click Share to copy the prototype link and set viewer permissions so stakeholders can test. If something goes wrong, inspect the target frame. Hidden layers, nested groups, or wrong node targets often break links. Make sure the source isn't an instance with detached overrides. If needed, reselect the frame and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.